What is going on, everybody? It's Murphy J out here again. I'm with my buddy Alex today. Right now he's throwing the rat, topwater rat. We're doing some canal fishing, as you can see, but we haven't fished this spot since Christmas. This is one of our go-to areas, but we just haven't been over here in a while. So hopefully today we can get on some big fish. That's our goal, to get on some 3s plus. I'd love to catch my PB on my flat rod today, so we're gonna see if we can make that happen. I'm gonna jump over to a spot over here and start fishing. You guys will see me in a minute. All right, well, I was over here taking a sandwich break, and my buddy Alex just hooked up on the first fish of the day. Nice fish, over a pound with the mega bass jerkbait.
Always front hook, usually.
Yes, sir. Nice one, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah. All right, so Alex is over here on the bass. I guess I'm Gill Boy today. Oh, I do have a fish. There we go. Oh, he's barely hooked. No, stay on. There we go. All right, guys, first fish of the day, or first bass of the day for me, I should say. All right, got him on the jerkbait. There we go. Decent looking fish, probably almost a pound or so. Appreciate you, buddy. Did a nice little release on him. There we go. He swam off. I really thought I got snagged for a second. That was sick. Alrighty, so we're back over at this spot that we start at sometimes. It's a pretty for sure area that we normally get fish, so I'm going to throw the fly rod right here and see if I can hook up on one for you guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm on. It's a decent one on the fly too. Woo. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish, guys. There we go on the fly rod. First one on the fly rod of the day. Doing a little canal fishing on the fly rod for some largemouth bass. This is actually a clouser minnow I tied up last night. He just destroyed it though. But it's a brown and white clouser minnow. That was super fun. All right. Thank you, buddy. I knew you were in here, nice and healthy. Oh, you smell amazing. Thank you. Thanks, bud. All right. There we go. There we go. Little fish. Yeah, probably. So I just got one little guy over here. I got the deepest hooks that I think I've ever gotten in a fish on him. It's behind his eye. It's behind his eye. Look at that. It literally all the way behind the eyeball. Why can't I get a hook set like that on a big one? Appreciate you, buddy. I think I almost just killed that guy. All right. We are at the juice. Got one. Oh my God, it was a huge one. That was a good ass knot. That was a big fish. That was a really big fish. Oh man, that was big. Damn it, that hurts so bad. All right, so I'm super mad at myself right now. We're kind of wrapping things up for the day. I didn't really think I was gonna get anything. I've got like a quarter of my battery left, so I didn't have my camera even rolling. I was throwing a spinnerbait, or not a spinnerbait, I'm sorry, a rooster tail on my conventional rod over here. Didn't get anything. Picked up the fly rod and boom, biggest fish of the day on the fly right there. Biggest fish of the day, period. Still have the Clouser minnow in his mouth. It's actually on one I tied last night, a brown and white Clouser minnow. Yeah, should have had the camera on. Goes to show right there, but there she is. It's a beautiful fish. I'm guessing about 2 pounds or so. I'm gonna pause this, get a picture, and then I'm gonna get a release for you guys. All right, so we just got some pictures for Instagram and fish brain and stuff, but whew, man, that was fun. I screamed over to Alex when I first hooked up on it. I really didn't think it was a fish at first, but I weighed her just under 2. It was 1.8. I really thought it was a 2-pounder, but it's all right. I'll take 1.8 all day. Thank you very much. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna try to do one down this way. Oh, got one. There we go. That's a good one too. Oh, I'm recording, nice. There we go, guys. It's a pounder. Oh man, I just got... All right, there we go. I guess my video was not over. Another one on the Clouser minnow that I tied. He's got a leech or something in his mouth that's pretty gross, but whoo! There he is, guys. I can't remember. I think that's number 5 or so, but he's a nice, healthy fish. I'll kiss you even with your leech, buddy. Thank you. Alrighty, guys. That just about does it for today. Really sorry I didn't have my camera rolling for that good-sized fish I caught just now, that 1.8, but I did have it rolling for that little guy. I just got that 1-pounder right now, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Next time we're going to be coming back out here. We're going to try to throw some bigger flies and catch some bigger bass, because this is an area that we can get on some potentially 5-pounders plus. So thank you again for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time on another episode of Fishing with Murphy J.